Jason Curns, Firearms Manager, Meg Arms. Beautiful, bright, sunny Washington day to stick you inside to show you what we do inside the shop. Come on, boys, follow me, I'll show you around. Some of our raw forgings for lower receivers. They come in 500 quantity boxes. They get put into holding cages, as you see here, that are lockable. Then they hit up to the machines, and this is kind of where they start their process for our forged receivers. They look just like that in the beginning. This is how they start their life. It's better than being a tin can. They come in boxes of 500. From here they get counted and segregated in cages. One of the things that sets us aside with our forged receivers is that we actually have a deburring process. Belts, grinders, straight knives, files. We do a huge process just to make sure our lowers and uppers are deburred. They're pleasant to touch and they look better than anybody else's in the industry. Stage one of the machining process of the lower forging. This is right after all the stages are done, minus any roll marking, or we call it just CNC etch. So basically that's all this machine needed to finish the product is, you know, just the serial number and the model marking and the logo. This is a Kitamura machine, and that's the actual brand of it, but this machine actually cuts our forged uppers. This is basically a A4 upper with bead ramps with no logo on it right now, but starts its life as a raw forging. Comes to this point right here where it's almost done. All it needs is bead blast and anodize. Well, that's pretty much the entire process of a forged flat top upper. We also do that here at Meg Arms. This is one of our racks that holds all our billet material. This is a solid block of 7 Series 7075 T6. So that'll end its life as an MTS 400 or MTS 420. So that's rifle length MTS monolithic. Billet material, it's not an extrusion, it's not a forging. That's billet aluminum 7 Series. Aircraft grade, made in the USA. This is our Mazak 5th axis. This is what starts the life for most of our billet product as far as uppers. So that billet block I showed you over that holding rack, it takes it from like this, it dovetails the bottom, and then it does the whole outer profile for our monolithic series of uppers. Does the whole outside profile, then it gets belted down before it gets taken over the Matsura 6 pallet CNC machine. Further along in the process of our MTS upper, our monolithic, here's an MTS 400. Before it hits the Matsura, you can see all of our product here sitting there waiting to be machined. So all you out there waiting for one of these or on a wish list, or you got an order in, here they are. So they're coming. It's just they're waiting to be machined like everything else. So appreciate the patience. Hi guys, this is the next step of our long journey for a Meg Arms product. So after they get bead blasted and media rattled, they come up here and get set up on the tables so they can all get sand checked. We stick little drills in each hole and we make sure all the deburring has been accomplished. Serial numbers get marked in so they can go out to anodizing. This is our Ma-10 and ambidextrous 18-inch barrel. It'll be pretty much offered just like this with a PRS. With the 18-inch offering, you'll find a rifle length handguard. This is in quad rail, but you'll also find it, of course, without the LRA bipod on it and the Trijicon sight here, this 20x50 scope. But minus that, you'll see a pair of flip-ups on it, and it'll be out the door for you guys. Look for it shortly here at Meg Arms. This pretty little prince right here is Ma-10 in mid-length. This is a mid-length quad rail with the ambi function, set with the XS Products 50-round drum mag to match our quad rail. This was a 12-inch barrel, so you know, NFA regulated product here. And with our SOT, we can do that, but that's a 12-inch mid-length Ma-10 in ambi. Ooh, sweet. This gun here was built using our Ma-10 receivers in nickel boron. This is our nickel boron coating. It should be out soon. I know we keep saying that, but this is our AR-15 nickel boron. 308 has been out for a couple months, but this is a rifle length quad rail MTS 400 in nickel boron. mated with a nickel boron AR-15 ambi. So again, this is 14.5-inch barrel. Got an AAC comp out here for the suppressors. Fitted with the EOTech, Troy flips, ACS buttstock from Magpul P-Mags, Young Manufacturing Bolt Carrier Group. Our Meg Arms Hogue grips, SBR AR-15 nickel boron.